In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a wrong or missing item on Doordash. Whether you've received something you didn't order or your meal isn't complete, it's important to address these issues so you can enjoy your dining experience to the fullest. Let me walk you through the simple process step by step. First, let's head over to the Doordash website. You can find it by entering the URL or simply search for Doordash in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The interface is user-friendly, but if it's your first time, it's worth a quick look around. Next, let's look for the Account section. This is where you can manage all your orders and settings. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu displaying several options related to your account details, order history, and more. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on Help. This is your gateway to accessing resources that can assist you, including reporting any issues. Clicking this option will take you to the Help section, which is designed specifically to cater to users who might need assistance with their orders. Once you're in the Help section, look for the option that says Visit our Help Center. This button will redirect you to a more detailed help page where you can find FAQs, contact options, and other customer support resources. Now that you're in the Help Center, the next step is to click on Visit Help Center again. This might seem repetitive, but this step ensures you're directed to the most relevant support resources, specifically for consumer-related inquiries or issues. Finally, to report a wrong or missing item, locate the search bar in the Help Center. In this bar, you can type your specific concern or question. For example, type missing item or wrong order received. As you type, suggestions might appear which can streamline the process if any of them match your issue. Once you enter your query, follow any prompts or options that show up which guide you on how to file a report properly. It's crucial to provide as much detail as possible about the issue so it can be resolved efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you ensure a smoother experience and a quick resolution to any Doordash order issues. Remember, whenever in doubt, the Help Center is just a click away. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to address any order issues promptly to make the most out of your Doordash experience.